Good morning, everyone. So today we will start our poem number 2, Tiptoe Night. Right? So what is the meaning of tiptoe night? Tiptoe means silently. The silent night. How does it come? This poem is written by John Drinkwater. So students, in today's poem, we will learn how does a night fall, कि रात कैसे होती है, right? And what happens when it falls, right? So here, do you know how the night works in the dark? How does it work when it becomes dark? Let us read the poem. Tiptoe night comes down the lane, all alone without a word, taking for his own again every little flower and bird. Means tiptoe night means walk quietly. When night falls, when it comes down, where? In the lane. Lane means narrow street, right? When it comes in our narrow street, it comes all alone without making any noise. It comes silently. Without a word means silently. Taking for his own again every little flower and bird. It means when it comes, it makes everybody go into dark. Birds fly to their nests, flowers stop moving, right? Not a footfall, not a sigh. F-O-O-T foot, F-A-L-L fall. Footfall means presence of a person, means that we can sense. Footprints. Sigh, S-I-G-H means long deep breath that could be heard, जिसको हम सुन सकते हैं. So when it comes, it doesn't leave any footprint that could be seen later on. It does not make any sigh. It does not sigh that could be heard, right? It comes stealthily. It comes slowly. It comes silently without making any noise. Not a ripple of the air, not a sound to reckon by. Means when night falls, it doesn't make any sound in the air that we can guess, right? But here in the story, the poet John has personified the night. Personified means personification. When any non-living thing is taken as human being, right? जब किसी भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग को पर्सोनीफाई किया जाता है, उसको ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरह ट्रीट किया जाता है. व्हेन एनी नॉन लिविंग थिंग इज ट्रीटेड एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. सो हियर पोएट जॉन ड्रिंकवाटर हैज़ पर्सोनिफाइड द नाइट. Not a sound to reckon by means it doesn't make any sound that we can guess what that night has come. Yet I know that he is there, but still I know that night is there, and I count them as I wait, step by tiptoe, step until. Here the poet is telling us, and I count them as I wait. What he is saying? He is saying, I count the steps of the night. I count the steps of the night after a little time. How? See here, hush, H-U-S-H, hush means be quiet. Hush, he is at the garden gate, right? When night comes all around, or when it arrives to our garden gate, we come to know how it becomes dark. Everywhere becomes dark, right? You know, when evening falls, we can see the light of the day, and somewhere it is little dark, right? This is how we come to know that night has fallen, कि रात हो गई है. Hush, he is at the windowsill. So now the poet is counting the footsteps of the night, right? Because it reaches to our windowsill slowly and slowly. First it reaches to our garden sill, then it reaches to our windowsill, and it makes everything around us to go into darkness. and there is full silence everywhere. So students, summary of the poem is, it comes without making any noise, it doesn't leave any footprints, and it doesn't give any message in the air from which we understand, from which we can guess that night has fallen. Right? So this, I hope you all have understood the poem. Thank you.